Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since I have uploaded anything. I have taken a little time out for myself. I've recently given birth. I've got a gorgeous, beautiful baby girl now. You'll be seeing her in a few future vlogs. So I just took some time out to, you know, go through the whole pregnancy stage and figuring out how to be a mum this year. So I know it's been a really long time since I have uploaded, and I do apologise for that, but I hope you can understand why I took a break. You will notice a few things will have changed now. You won't be seeing Glenn so much in any of the vlogs now. Unfortunately, him and I, we have gone our separate ways, but he still sees his daughter and everything's good there, so there's no harsh feelings. So with that being said, I did want to just start this new channel with something a little bit easier to film, a little bit fun, something that I'm actually really interested in. And I thought, well, it's literally Christmas right around the corner, it's mid-November now, and I thought, what better way to start back the new channel with something Christmas related. And of course, as you can tell, I'm wearing my Minnie Mouse ears, so Disney related. Now, I've recently been to the Disney store, and I have done a big old shop, so I've got a big bag here full of bits, which I'm going to go through and do a little haul. But firstly, I have recently been really into my Instagram, and I have come across these most amazing accounts and this amazing, what I can only class as a Disney family. Everyone is so lovely, and I entered a giveaway not too long ago and I actually won, which is crazy because I've never won anything in my life. But I entered a giveaway, I won, I got a package delivered today and it's here. I am so excited to open up this box. Sorry, I've got hiccups. I got sent this from an amazing couple on Instagram called Wizards and Walt. I'll put their name or their tagline across the screen now. If you do wish to give them a follow, then please do. They're a really nice couple here based in the UK, and they just upload everything and anything Disney. So if you're a Disney freak like myself, then please go follow them. They're really nice, really friendly, and they do some great giveaways. So check them out, please hit them up, give them some when she wakes up. So I'm so excited, I've waited all day to do this. Stupidly though, I didn't pick up some scissors. Let's see if I can just open this without any scissors. Do you know what I love about this box is obviously they put like my Instagram name across the front here, Hayley underscore Alyssa X. So if you do want to follow my account, I'll put that in the link below. But they've drawn a little mini Mickey Mouse on the corner. Okay, I'm managing to open it. Okay. Wow, they full on masking tape this. I swear, if you get a present from them for Christmas, it's probably going to be smothered in tape. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's a good thing. My heart is actually pounding. I'm so excited. Now I do actually know what is inside, because obviously when I entered the giveaway they did have a photo, but I haven't seen it in person. I'm really sorry, I've got such a squeaky chair. Let's do my nutting. I need to get a new chair. Okay. Whoa. Almost there. Just got one little bit left. Okay. Ready, let's go. Let's open this bad boy up. I love how the post box has directions of how to fold this box up on the front. That's cool. Oh, okay. Oh my god! I see pink! tissue paper. I love this. I'm so happy, guys. You have no idea. Okay. Right. Let's get this out and go through this. Okay, so the first item I have in here is some fuchsia pink sparkly ears. How adorable are they? They are so sparkly. Look at that bow. I absolutely love them. I think I'm gonna have to try these on. Oh, they're really comfy. I love them. They're really comfy. You know, like how like some of these are like quite hard and tight and padded. These new ones, oh, I love them. How do I look? Great. So not only do we have the dark ink, hell no, but oh, okay. These are a whole new ball game. I am obsessed. They're like sequins, baby pink, the bow is all puffy. These are gorgeous. I know they say size adult, but my baby girl is gonna love these. Actually, I might go for the dark ones. No, actually, I'll be nice. I'll be nice for holding with these. These are gorgeous, guys. Wow, they're so sparkly. I've got to try these on as well. That's these ones. Look, love them. Let's try these ones on. Whoa, messy hand. Guys, come on. Like, you know when you just like hear angels singing, oh, this is it. Oh. Or if we like Disney's version, oh, oh. If you don't know where that's from, then make sure you check your Disney movies. But oh my god, I love these. Oh my god, they're gonna look so cute. We're actually planning another trip to Disney in the new year. We're going on the Disney cruise, and then we're also going to be doing a couple of weeks in the parks at the same time. So these are definitely coming with us. We're going to have so many photos on Instagram of me and baby girl matching. Absolutely love these. Thank you so much. Shall we see what else is in the video? It's poppy. I think I'm going to keep these dark pink ones on. I really quite like those. They're so comfy. There we go. Don't really go with what I'm wearing, but oh well. Let's see what else we've got. Next, we've got the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin Sheer Butter Hand Cream. Oh, you have no idea how much I need this. Oh god, I love cinnamon. Like, you know the cinnamon challenge that you do on the spoon? I can do that, like, easy. It doesn't make me vomit or anything. Like, oh! That smells good. I've had really dry hands recently because of the weather, so I've actually really needed this cream. Oh, that just melts into your hand like lovely. Oh, do you know what? It doesn't really smell that strong. I feel like it's very subtle, which is, I do like that, and it's very pumpkin-y. Like if you smell that, you're like, that's definitely a pumpkin. Like, that's not like a pumpkin spice latte smell or sweet pumpkin smell. That's like straight up fresh. That's fresh pumpkin. That is really nice. Really nice. Love that. Thank you. Next up, we have this. It is from Bath and Body Works Champagne Toast. It's antibacterial hand gel. You cannot go wrong with some anti-bac when you've got kids. Trust me, you need that everywhere. Oh, wow. That smells lush. Wow, I can't, like, how do I describe this? Obviously it doesn't smell like toast, but it smells like sweet, almost, I'd say like a little spicy, like I'm definitely getting some like, maybe like some rose hip kind of scent similar to that. It doesn't actually say. Here I'd like to see additional drug facts. That sounds dodgy. Let's see if it actually got, let's close that up. See if that has any ingredients in that to tell me what the scents are. Okay, oh, directions of use. Pretty straightforward. Let's see. Okay, so minus all of the like foreign scientific very long words I cannot pronounce, it has got palm extract, olive fruit extract, honey extract, coconuts extract, and yellow number 5. I have no idea what that part means there. Yeah, that smells lush, and I love that it's got the little like beads in it, which are really good for an anti-bac wipe, so wipe gel. So thank you so much for that. Lastly, weirdly enough, I was kind of most excited, other than the ears, about this product, because those of you who know me know that I love both of these items. And these are the chocolatey dipped coconut patties, naturally and artificially flavoured. Yes! I'm obsessed with coconut, I'm obsessed with chocolate. This is quite a big box. It's opening. I'm opening it. Let's move this box out of the way. Let's look at this box. There we go. Okay, I've got that like antibacterial gel stuff on my nose. Come on! Got it. Oh, the little individual ones! I love that there's 2, which means Alyssa can have one. Oh, look at those, guys. Yeah, coconut patties. Like, I guess like, what do we call them? Macarons? Look at that. Little coconut patty, and it's got chocolate on the back. I mean, this. That is so nice. Wow. That is so nice. It's like, do you know, I feel like this is the American version of a Bounty that is, it's kind of got a slight like almondy type flavour. I wonder if it's got almond in it. Coconut, cream fondant, so like sugar corn syrup, dark chocolate coating. I love dark chocolate. Palm kernel oil, blah 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 blah, milk, oil, lots of oil, which is fine, I love oil. No, okay, so it doesn't have anything like, no like almond milk or anything like that in it, but it does have a slight almondy flavour. I don't know if it's just because it's the coconut and the dark chocolate together which gives it that flavour, but that is really good. Oh! I'm not even kidding, that is amazing. I'm going to save that one for my baby girl, because I'm not completely mean. But wow. Oh no guys, I love that. So, the coconut patties, the cinnamon champagne toast, sweet pumpkin hand cream, which still holds its scent. That's lasted long so far. Because you know how some hand creams were like when you first get them. There's a cat under the table. When you first get them, they like lose their scent. This doesn't. This is stayed. This is nice. And the 2 is, and I'm so over the moon with this, guys. Like seriously, thank you so much. I really do appreciate for appreciate you guys for selecting me to win this giveaway. Honestly, you've made my day. I really thank you so much. And guys, if you're watching this, please go share the love and go and follow Wizards and Walt on their Instagram page, because they're really good guys and they're so friendly, so welcoming, and I'm so happy with this. So thank you much, I really do appreciate it. But I'm gonna eat this before it melts in my fingers, and then we're gonna get on to our Christmas haul. I'll be right back.